Meet Ed. Ed is a supervisor with a lot on his plate. With the current processes in place, he's buried in endless paperwork and overloaded with unread emails, all while having to supervise his insanely large team. Altogether, issues like these can definitely be costly, which is why having a reliable CMMS application is vital to the success of any organization. With Zunaso's work order management mobile app, seamless maintenance is achieved. With Zunaso, you can easily create maintenance requests for all of your assets within your organization, as well as quickly assign work orders to the correct technicians. You can keep track easily of KPIs and productivity, while successfully managing time, as well as cost resources, and filtering data effectively, all with the use of our industry standard reports. Schedule work orders in a specified frequency and maintain your equipment accordingly to avoid sudden downtime. You can also use the built-in barcode scanning feature to keep track of all available parts, inventory, and information. Transform your maintenance with Zunaso's work order app today. Zunaso is available for download on all iOS and Android devices. To learn more, please visit us at zunaso.com.